Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change Bonjour settings on your Canon PIXMA. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. Now in those settings, you need to go to device settings, and here you go to LAN, select wireless direct, go to settings and then advanced, and here we have the Bonjour settings. So here we can either enable or disable the services. Also, we can change the service name right here. As you guys can see, instead of the CANON TS8351a series, we can set it up to anything that we want. It has to be up to 48 characters though. So basically here we can enable or disable the Bonjour, and that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.